Hello friends, this is Professor Rakesh Kumar Katare of Department of Computer Science at APS University, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Today I am going to give you the concept of mathematical logic. Now let us see how a well-formed formula is generated in mathematical logic. A well-formed formula can be generated by the following rules. 1. A statement variable standing alone, a well-formed formula. Say for example, P only is a well-formed formula or Q only is a well-formed formula. If A is a well-formed formula, then not A is a well-formed formula. Third, if A and B are well-formed formula, then A and B in parenthesis, A or B in parenthesis, A implication B in parenthesis, and A by implication B in parenthesis are also well-formed formulas. A string of symbols containing the statement variables, connectives, and parentheses is a well-formed formula if and only if it can be obtained by the finitely many applications of the rule 1, 2, and 3. The following are not well-formed formulas. First, not P and Q without parenthesis. Obviously, P and Q are well-formed formula. A well-formed formula would either not P and Q under parenthesis or not before parenthesis and in parenthesis P and Q. P implication Q implication not Q. In this way, this is not a well-formed formula because Q is not alone. P implication Q, note that P implication Q is a well-formed formula, but this has no ending parenthesis, therefore it is not a well-formed formula. P and Q implication Q. The reason for this not being a well-formed formula is that one of the parentheses in the beginning is missing, but this is a well-formed formula. While P and Q implication Q is still not a well-formed formula because there is no parenthesis here in beginning here and in here. Tautologies. A statement formula which is true regardless of the truth values of the statements which replace the variables in it is called a universally valid formula or a tautology or a logical truth. Contradiction. A statement formula which is false regardless of the truth values of the statement which replace the variables in it is called a contradiction. Obviously, the negation of a contradiction is a tautology. We may say that a statement formula which is a tautology is identically true and a formula which is a contradiction is identically false. Example: P, TF, not PFT. P or not P is always a tautology, and P and not P is always a contradiction. Now let us take an example of equivalence formula. Prove P implication Q is equivalent to not P or Q. Here P and Q, the possibilities of TT, FF, TF, TF. P implication Q is TT, T, TF, F, FT, T, FF, T. Not P, FF, TT. Not P or Q is TF, TT. P implication Q by equivalence of this is always a tautology. If it is a tautology, it means P implication Q is biequivalent to not P or Q. These are the equivalences. The first one is double negation. E2, E3 are commutative law. E4, E5 are associative law. E6 and E7 are distributive law. E8 and E9 and De Morgan's law. P or P is biequivalent to P. P and P is biequivalent to P. R or P and not P is R. And these are some. Now let us take one example. P and P is biequivalent P. P and P is biequivalent to P. P. T, F. P and P. T and T, T, F and F, F. P and P biequivalent to P. Biequivalence T, 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 F, F, T. So it is a tautology. Therefore, it is biequivalence of each other. Tautological implications. A statement A is said to be tautologically imply A statement B if and only if A implication B is a tautology. There are 14 tautological implications. I1, I2 is a simplification. I3, I4 is addition. I10 is disjunctive syllogism. I11 is modus ponens. I12 is modus tollens. I13 is hypothetical syllogism, and I14 is dilemma. Modus ponens or law of detachment. Its basis is the tautology. This is the statement. Now let us prove this statement. PQ. The values of PQ as already given before. We are taking the same. P implication Q. P implication Q will be TFTT. P and P implication Q will be TFFF. And this is tautology. Example, P implication Q. If it is raining and we will go for walking. P is it is raining, then Q is we will go for walk. Modus tollens. Not Q and P implication Q implies not P. PQ, P implication Q, not Q. This is not Q and P implication Q, not P. And ultimately what we get? We get tautology in modus Tollens. Hypothetical syllogism. P implication Q, Q implication R implies P implication R. This is hypothetically syllogism. We are proving P, the values is 2 to the power 3 is 8. So there are 40, 4f. In next column 2t, 2f, 2t, 2f. In third column 1t, 1f, 1t, 1f, 1. Same way we can complete this, the value of PQR, and then P implication Q is this, Q implication R is this, P implication Q and Q implication R is this, and next is the third one, P implication R is this, and 2 implication 3 means P implication Q and Q implication R implies P implication R is tautology. Same way, P or Q and P implication R and Q implication R implies R. This is dilemma. Same value we have taken here, and it has been proved as tautology. Thanks.